Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Panalo ang Caloocan kontra sa Bataan 84-70. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Prince Casin sa likod ng kanyang 14 points, 7 rebounds, 1 steal at 1 block. Nagtala naman si Tayong Tong ng 9 points, Kalahat 9 points, Flores 6 points, Bechong 0 point, Casin 14 points. Nag-ambag naman si Chris Bitoo ng 14 points, Sanga 8 points, Matcha 7 points, Bon Sobre 7 points, Cervantes 5 points, Cabanag 3 points, Palencia 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Bataan, Hubert Cani 12 points, Kapulong 12 points, Sason 4 points, Jeff Santos 2 points, Bringas 2 points. Nag-ambag naman si Darang ng 8 points, Gabawan 8 points, Vera 7 points, Yambing 6 points, Menes 5 points, Javier 4 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Dinaig naman ng Valenzuela ang Marikina 85-82. Best player of the game si Louie Vigil sa likod ng kanyang 18 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 steal. Nagtala naman si Monhen ng 14 points, Formento 13 points, Niepes 11 points, Ongtico 5 points, Vigil 18 points. Nag-ambag naman si Gisalem ng 11 points, Omale 7 points, Lester Alvarez 4 points, Alabanza 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Marikina, Peñano 10 points, Nem de la Cruz 8 points, Maloles 6 points, Filona 3 points, Basco 1 point. Nag-ambag naman si Masio ng 23 points, Velasco 11 points, Escoto 10 points, Tiborcio 5 points, Nobleza 3 points, Roque 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinambakan naman ng Pasay ang Manila 107-75. Best player of the game si Lawrence Victoria sa likod na kanyang 17 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Nagtala si Bonifacio ng 11 points, Coronel 9 points, Barcoma 4 points, Reverente 0 point, Victoria 17 points. Nag-ambag naman si Lasco ng 11 points, Cyrus Tabi 10 points, Sangko 9 points, Soriano 8 points, Hilario 7 points, Salinga 7 points, Lakap 7 points, Marasigan 5 points, Fernandez 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Manila, Lopez 9 points, Canlas 7 points, Jan Baltasar 7 points, Lodovice 4 points, Jan Faa 4 points. Nag-ambag naman si Albo ng 21 points, Andaya 17 points, Flores 4 points, Marvin Alvarez 2 points. Heto ang game schedule ngayong March 26, 2025 na gaganapin sa Batangas. Maglalaban ang Rizal at Sarangani alas 4 ng hapon. Magharap naman ang Quezon City at Imos alas 6 ng gabi. Magtutos naman ang Batangas at Basilan alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of March 25, 2025. Nueva Ecija 4 wins 0 loss, Pampanga 3 wins 0 loss, San Juan 1 win 0 loss, Pasay 3 wins 1 loss, Pangasinan 3 wins 1 loss, Abra 3 wins 1 loss, Caloocan 2 wins 1 loss, Quezon City 2 wins 1 loss, Ilagan Isabela 2 wins 2 losses, Valenzuela 2 wins 2 losses, Bataan 1 win 3 losses, Manila 1 win 3 losses, Marikina 0 win 4 losses, Bulacan 0 win 4 losses, Pasig 0 win 0 loss. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of March 25, 2025. Quezon Huskers 3 win 0 loss, Rizal 3 win 0 loss, Zamboanga 2 wins 1 loss, Jinsan Warriors 2 wins 1 loss, Imos 2 wins 2 losses, Batangas 1 win 2 losses, Basilan 1 win 2 losses, Cebu 1 win 3 losses, Binyan 1 win 3 losses, Mindoro 1 win 3 losses. Sarangani 0 win 4 losses. Bacolod, Davao Occidental, Muntinlupa at Parañaque parehong may 0 win 0 loss. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.